Hi there, welcome to Grammie's Dollartree Meals and Snacks. Today what I'm going to prepare for you is snacks, snaps, appetizer, mozzarella stick, real mozzarella, cheese, nestled in a crispy golden coat. Keep frozen, high in calcium, great taste, great price. $1, $1. And I'll be drinking Splash. And this is the pineapple mango. Yum, I got it in a 6-pack. I feel so happy. And then for dessert, I have one more left. It is Libby's Diced Mango. And if I had done this before, if you hadn't seen it, let me tell you, it has 0 sodium, woohoo on that. Dietary fiber 0, total sugars 14, added sugars 18%. This is the diced mango. And the only thing I find about diced mango, if you don't have good working hands, it is so hard to get that peel off, which is, I'm glad they're sealed very, very well. So let's get back to the mozzarella sticks. They look like this. It says 1 package, calories 430. Dietary fiber 2 grams, total sugar 2 grams, includes 1 added sugar. That's not too bad. Distributed by Appetizers in Plover, Wisconsin. Contains bio-engineered food ingredients. I don't know about this. Okay, it says preparation instructions. You can put it in a conventional oven. Preheat at 450, bake 3 to 4 minutes, flip the product over and add another 3 to 4 minutes. Air fryer. Woo, we're doing it in the air fryer. You know, talking about air fryers, I wanted to get the Pioneer Woman air fryer, the 6-quart point, 3 or 4. I can't find it anywhere. Walmart had it, now they don't. So if anybody knows where I can get it before Christmas, please leave down in the comment. I'd greatly appreciate it. The air fryer is 360 degrees. Load the basket single layer, cook 3 minutes. Shake the basket for 5 seconds, let cool, and add 1.5 minutes, and then let rest 1 to 2. And if you want to deep fry it, which really sounds yummy, we don't do too much deep frying. Preheat the oil to 350, fry product to 2.5 minutes. Allow to stand for 1 minute before serving. Woohoo! So let's take it out. Sorry. I got some scissors right here. There's Maggie. So when you take it out, it's going to look like this. I thought there was a dipping sauce, but it isn't. It just shows a dipping sauce. Well, we're not gonna dip today, so we're just gonna eat it like this. I might have something in the refrigerator, but I don't think so. And it wouldn't be from Dollartree, so. Unless I can find some pizza sauce. I might have some of that in there. So I'm gonna put it right in here. This here will fit perfectly in my air fryer. And I got an Instant Vortex 6-quart Instafire, and I absolutely like it. I need to update it though. I'd like to give this one away. So I'd like to. So I'm gonna bring you back as soon as I get this done. Okay, it smells really yummy, and Maggie went outside. Really, really yummy. I did find just a little bit. I wasn't sure if I had any more pizza sauce or not. I put it in the microwave, and let me tell you, it splattered everywhere. So I got a mess to clean up after. And here they are, and they are crispy. Hot too, I don't burn my mouth. We'll try some with the sauce and then without. Look at that. Oh. These taste really good. I want them in a big bag. Oh, yum. Good. Good stuff. Now we're going to eat one without. See which way I like it better. And they are nice and crispy, see? I like it with the sauce. Again, these are called Snaps Mozzarella Sticks, and so good from the Dollartree, $1. Now this would feed, this right here is a meal for me, more than a meal. With this wonderful pineapple splash drink, yum yum. Then we got these peaches that are diced mango. Do I like mango? Whoops, I just dropped something on the counter. I love mango. When I was in Mexico, oh boy, the mangoes were so good. Let's see, here we go. They're in light syrup too. So it's really, was it in light syrup? I bought, yes, light syrup. So good. These just melt right in your mouth. They are so good. If you would like to join Grammie's Dollartree Meals and Snacks, I'll leave the link in the description box below. You can come 1 week, you can sit out, you can do whatever you want. I know it's busy, it's holiday season. Trust me, I have been back and forth to the city for 2 days straight, late afternoon again. I gotta clean up, I gotta make dinner. I was with my parents, but hey, it's all good. It's all good. So if you'd like to join, I'd love to have you. Come a week, stay out 2 weeks, come as you like. Just join in, have some fun. Let's see how people like the Dollartree product. Come up with a meal, come up with a snack, come up with a drink. So I hope to see you. And we post every Wednesday. The meals must have to be a Dollartree product unless you cannot get it. Now I have something new. I can no longer have milk without it being dairy free. So, and I'm supposed to eat gluten free. I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm gonna probably have to spoil it on Wednesdays or wing it. But the Dollartree I go to in the city has not had milk for many months. They've had margarine, but no milk. They've had cheese. So anyways, everybody, I hope you enjoy this. These are very delicious. Get them if you'd like. Mine done in the air fryer, oh so good. I would definitely have this again. And when I go to the city, I'm probably gonna get 5 boxes. Oh yes, I am. But I'm gonna read every ingredient first. Have a great day. I hope to see you next Monday. And if you're coming in early, hey, make something, whip it up, post it on Wednesday. Use the hashtag Grammiesdtmealsandsnacks. And it'll be down below in the description. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.